For this video, I'm going to start using AWS. My videos in the past were Azure, but now I'm learning AWS, so this is going to be the first video, so first bear with me. I'm completely new to this, but it should seem pretty similar to Azure, just different names and terms, and different UI. But anyway, I'm going to start off with IAM, Identity Access Management, and creating users and groups. So right now I'm a root user, which is not a good practice to use it. So I'm going to create a new user. So you just do IAM, and let's go to users, add users. Just call it David, and I'll do a password, and I'll create my own password. And I don't want to do password reset. Next, I'm going to give it permissions. And so, well, let's actually create a group to assign it to. We'll call it admins. And the policy we're going to give the admins group is, we'll just call it admin group, is administrator access. And you could create custom policies if you want here, but we're just going to do this: provides full access to AWS services and resources. Create the group with that policy. So let's go next to tags, and tags are just key value pairs to add additional info to our user. So let's just say we're specifying it's the department of operations, and do next review. So we're creating a user, David, that has this this permission. Here's its group and admin, and it doesn't have password reset, it's custom password. Well, anyway, let's actually click the user, and you can view it. Alright, so we're done. So you could download the CSV. It's important when you auto-generate the password, so you could get those credentials. And if you created this user for someone else, then you could send it to them, the email instructions for logging in. So anyway, let's go check it out. So do close, and look, we have our user. If we go to user groups, you see the admin group. There's one user group, and there's one user in this group. And look, it has this permission, administrator access, and you can see that it's managed policy from group admin, so it's just inherited from the group admin for user David. So let's go back to the main dashboard for IAM, and here's our account info. And you can also look at the account ID by just here. But anyway, the account alias is just used to log in faster. So you could just put something that's easier to remember. So anyway, this is going to be for the root user, so I'll just call it that, save changes. So if you copy this here, and let's open up a new session. Let's just do incognito. You put in your account alias, and let's see if this works. Okay. So now you can see that we're an IAM user account, because in the other one, it's here. It's the root account. So we don't want the root account anymore, so just sign out and go there. And now we're in the IAM account, and just put it here. So anyway, for this video I showed how to create a new user and how to create a group for the user and how to switch it, how to sign out of your root user or whatever user you are, and how to change the account alias and how to log out and sign into the new one. You just copy this link is the easiest way. Otherwise you just go to the console and then sign in normally. Anyway, so that's users and groups for IAM for AWS.